Hello and welcome. Let's create a menu based on a switch statement. Our menu is now finished. First, the user gets informed about the options and then types in one of the options. We only allow values that our switch statement consists of. Otherwise, the menu will keep running until an allowed value is typed in. If the user chooses 1, then this function will run. If the user chooses 2, then this function will run. If the user chooses 3, then this function will run. If the user chooses 4, then this code will run. Let's start the script and we will see that everything works perfectly. So if the user chooses something that is not on the menu, then the menu will just run again. If the user chooses 1, then we will have 18 as the output to the screen. If the user chooses 2, then we will have 6 as the output to the screen. If the user chooses 3, then 2 will be the output to the screen. If the user chooses 4, then this will be the output to the screen.